Taurus energy again. Ain't wanna be doubted your gifts, doubted your abilities, but wanted to be you. I'm trying to figure out how does that work. Whatever it is, they cannot reach out. Someone could have been shot and drowned. That portal is closed. That portal is closed. It shall never be opened again. That door is closed. That person could have changed their name to Courtney. Or it could be two different people. This Demetrius could be a womanizer. Chakra. Tap water being contaminated. Someone's mother is competing. You got competition. Someone's sitting in shame and guilt. Someone's father or a father figure is doing root work. Someone could have said that you were on drugs, especially with the cocaine out here that came up earlier in the other reading. Someone will be getting married soon. Or they try to either hide it, a marriage, a fake marriage that they tried to hide. You have the Seven of Swords, deception, lies, and dishonesty. That's why with that third party situation was they put you in a third party situation, probably wanted to knock you off with that insurance policy out here and tried to collect that insurance policy off of you by being married to you. Because it's so powerful. Okay. Okay, so they tried to, that's why they try to do all this different type of spell work, these death rituals, hiring this hitman, probably did this stuff back in Christmas, astral projecting. All right. Some might be also scared to go outside because they know the truth of the situation. Okay. The one with the situation, they know the situation. Someone could also be projecting mental instability. Okay, so you know that they know that you know about an insurance policy. Right, got this shame and guilt energy going around. This masculine is in shame. Shamed. Because what you're saying is the truth. Okay, because they also probably lost their mother and their father as well. And they doing all this work. That's probably a death that happened to because they lost their father for doing all the different spell work. All this different type of spell work. Yeah, psychiatric. Someone check this up into the psychiatric ward. Suicide. They out here trying to shape shift. Yeah, feminine. I'm talking about you. Out here trying to shape shift. That witch. Something about remember someone from the park. So you might have met someone at the park. Someone that you didn't even really recognize. This feel like oats. Let me shuck these up again. The binding spells placed over the throat chakra are removed. Someone's name could be Andrew. Taurus. Someone's emotionally gaslighting or trying to emotionally gaslight. Someone also could be, I'm seeing Taurus. Okay, so someone could be could have also sacrificed animals as well. These people have been outed, child. Five men. Something about 5 men. Self-harm. Keep seeing this again. Something about the chief of police. The opposite of the truth with the karmic masters not being truthful. Heart chakra just flipped out. I just saw homosexuality spells. So it's either someone's not being truthful about what's in their heart or they're trying to place that into their heart. Our karmic grandmother. Or a mother figure period. Weird. Yeah, they broke a lot of spiritual laws. Someone could be down south. Cop. Not criminal minds out here. Malicious intent. Late at night. Like I said, they have a lot of malicious intentions late at night, thinking and scheming of some ways to try to do some heart chakra work. They try to manipulate someone's heart chakra for negative intentions and emotionally gaslight their emotions. Okay, especially with the sacral chakra and the shame and the guilt and the heart chakra work. They're definitely trying to mess with someone's emotional state. In this case, okay, a black man or a black man's involved. Okay, trying to mess with someone's kundalini rising. Okay, when I said someone's getting married, wedding vows as well. They're also trying to block the truth. Something about ingredients. They may be trying to hex or bind ingredients living there. Also, I heard that someone lost their house. Okay, lost a home. Okay, that person could have been living there. Okay, also, lost home, slurred speech. And like I said, someone lost a home. Someone who was living in a home, they probably have lost their home. Probably who has a slurred speech, lost their house. Goddess of love. Someone may have, someone may have broke character. Okay? They broke character and revealed something unconsciously or subconsciously about themselves. Okay? Someone broke character and they have been outed. They have been discovered, exposed for their malicious intent. The boss, someone's boss. Whoever's a boss of something, it could be a CEO, a manager, a karmic masculine. Special powers, divine, you got divine masculine and karmic masculine. And you have some about special powers. Lymph node blockages. Whoa. Yeah, someone's paranoid. It came out again. This reading, someone's paranoid. Right. That's not can no longer happen. That lack energy, that paranoid, because yeah, someone's envious. Someone left the home that someone was living in. Okay, I said that people they were in a home that they're not supposed to be in. Someone was in a home they were not supposed to be in, and someone's about to be in the interrogation room crying. Someone could have checked themselves into the psychiatric ward. Black magic. Doing dark magic, black magic. They could have checked themselves into a psych. Could have checked themselves into a psych ward because of all of the black magic. Whoever is morbidly obese is a liar. That person was living in a house that was not theirs. And they went crazy. Burial plot, insurance policy. Someone's in jail. Someone's uncle has been cloned. Also, I kind of like skipped over that. Just to like snakes. Just give me like energy of snakes. Snakes or around snake or in energy. Also with ingredients. 15 on the clock. They were like certain ingredients that I would eat because they were always spying and watching and stalking. Like, say if I eat a salad and I put toppings on it, there's certain toppings that they were enchant with certain, like, whatever they were trying to project this onto this ingredient and this on that, and they'll try to glamour that and do stuff like that. All this stupid little weird shit. Like, they would do like all this different type of stuff to try to block and try to manipulate my energy to try to keep me in try to place me into bad health and keep me into a cycle. Right, with the throat chakra. They're trying to keep my throat chakra closed. They're trying to fuck up the throat chakra. Try to keep me in a non-knowing what was going on energy. That's the energy that they wanted me in, to try to keep me blinded. Right, because their consciousness is eating things at. The one with the short, that's the one that was in a home that was not, someone is pregnant. August Alsina. Aquarius energy out here. Defamation of character. That could have been spreading lies and gossip about you. Lies that was not true. Spreading rumors. With the spreading rumors that came out earlier. Negative. I told you about a cover-up and a cop. Inside job. They cannot read your energy. They cannot read my energy. Someone also could not be sleeping at night because their conscience is bothering them. You about to be reimbursed for all what was stolen, what was taken from you. Facts. All what was stolen from the chosen ones and the light beings will be returned or involved. Someone with sex traffic as well. That could have been that 4-year-old that's missing. I mean, that 6 to 9-year-old, that little girl. Heart chakra and throat chakra and third eye. So they're trying, yeah, projecting lust through heart chakra. Yeah, like I said, they're doing, okay, through the food, over the food. They're projecting stuff over the food. That's that fucking witch bitch. Okay, so heart chakra, throat chakra, and third eye. Those are like the truth, well, all truth, but like, they also, yeah, it's truth. They didn't want nothing about the truth to come out or to be seen or to be heard. They didn't want nothing. They didn't want you to know who you're partnered with. They didn't want you to know what their involvements were. People are sick. These people are really sick. That's the masculine. Very sick. People are sick. They didn't want you, yeah. People are sick. Something, they could be doing something over and over again. Or deja vu is, you may be experiencing deja vu. Shit. Someone may have a cyst as well. 1964. Someone could be 59. Your intuition is not blocked. Light ones, light beings. Like with the third eye, they were trying to block your third eye, your intuition. They were trying to block your heart chakra. They're also trying to block the truth. They just, with the throat chakra, like, right, with also the crown chakra. But yeah, they're trying to project. A lot of projections and a lot of projections. Yeah, that's all karmic coming in. A lot of projections and illusions that we're trying to place over. This masculine is trying to block my throat chakra right now. He could be spying, remote viewing and spying. He could be hearing voices. Wow. Stalking. Ridiculous. Really fucking ridiculous. Obsessed. This person could be a pedo, trying to cloak their energy. Someone's name could be Chrissy. Someone could be domineering, trying to control. They're hiding guilt and shame. I told you that's root chakra energy, hiding guilt and shame. Either trying to do some root work. Okay? I felt that in my root chakra. Trying to do some root work, and there was fear. Trying to do some type of root work. They're trying to make something with the root chakra. Yeah, they were trying to stop a union. Someone about to get some issues of concern about a passed over person. They're about to come into questioning about someone who passed away recently or someone who is no longer with us. Where'd that card go? It's just concern, question of how someone passed away. We got buried, drowned, shot and drowned came out. Someone's name could be William. Yeah, they said there's something in some devil energy. Someone could have a cheating spouse on their hands. I saw 28 years old. Someone could be 28. A cheating spouse, suicide, and maybe try to roll that as a suicide, 2222. Yeah, these people are lacking confidence, okay? They're also trying to project that, but that shit gets returned. That shit gets returned. They had a guilty heart and conscience. They have a guilty heart and a guilty conscience. Their conscience is eating them up, child. Something is about to be all over the news, okay? All over the news. About a satanic cult. They may, like, if the crown chakra and the mental instability, they may experience some type of brain fog or some type of illness or disease of the brain, of course. Archangel Haniel, Archangel Raphael is out here, okay? Justice and harmony, and the high priestess, feminine spirituality. Yeah, someone's going to prison. So that whoever it is, be prepared. They're going to prison. January 22, this is the Aquarius energy. Okay? Or maybe Aquarius could have wanted you dead. Or these people could have wanted you dead. Cranial issues. Like I said, with all these diseases that they have, something of the intestines. A lot of lies that are being told. A lot of lies are being said. A lot of lies are being spoken. Okay? They said a lot of lies, falsified documentations. Okay? They have, with the lacking energy, the solar plexus intestines, trying to block the truth. A lot of lies that they have told with the throat chakra energy. They want a lot of stuff that's going around. Wanted you dead with the insurance policy. Wanted to take you out. Okay, trying to do all these different type of project all these different type of illness and diseases and death spells to try to take you out. But none of those have worked at all. Okay, but the archangels and your spirit guides and divine light beings are around you, protecting you. Okay? A male actor came out before. Someone's acting. Okay, ungrounded. You got Mars. This is root chakra energy right here. So someone's not connected to Mars, to the root chakra. Someone's ungrounded. Okay, they're trying to project ungrounded. They're in fear energy with the ungrounded energy. The Masonic. Someone could be the part of the Masonic energy. And someone also lost their job. Always judging people. 5'11" may be significant. Yeah, the break with the loop of the solar plexus and the heart chakra that deals with addictions. Break that loop, break that cycle. I makes, yeah. I satanic cult. Maybe this Masonic cult. Satanic cult is going to hit the news. 2525. It could be hallucinating, hearing voices while they check themselves into a hospital. I keep seeing lesbian. Someone's a lesbian. Someone's trying to hide that they're a lesbian. That keeps showing up, but it's not wanting to come out. I keep seeing it. Crown chakra. Okay? That does... Yeah, because they're trying to conceal their identity. Whoever this lesbian is, they're trying to conceal their identity. They're trying to keep this stuff hidden. Whoever this lesbian is, crown chakra, whoever Jeffrey C is, they're trying to hide their identity. The tarot community is involved. Like I said that earlier, the tarot community is highly, highly distorted. Someone could have appendicitis, sudden pain in the roof of the abdomen, nausea, vomiting, fever, loss of appetite, constipation, diarrhea, abdominal bloating with the intestines card that came out here. This is masculine energy. Someone that's sitting in negative energy. Someone could be making fun of someone and make fun of them. They're in deep regret, trying to kill you, your love, and your abundance. I told you, they try to do something to your heart chakra with the death spell. They try to do a lot of death magic to your energy. Okay? Family full of witches and reptilians and witches and warlocks. Someone could think about you sexually. That could be someone's family member thinking about you sexually, or a witch or a warlock, or a family member. Take out how it resonates. Yeah, someone could be spying through mirrors or scrying through mirrors. I told you guys before in the last message. Could be doing it ever since July, or this will be over back, or will be coming to a halt in July. They're also trying to teaching projection through the mirror. Yeah, because they're stressed because you revealed something. You've been revealing everything. They're stressed about it. Someone is being mind controlled. When I thought that, I felt something in the hide and seek with the moon cycle card that showed itself up in the other reading. Moon cycle, hiding information. People are hiding information. Someone's trying to hide information. There is something in your heart that you need to know. There's something that they need to confess. Someone needs to confess something, or want you to confess something, or the information that is going to be put out is going to be put out. Probably about a military family. It's secrets. Secrets are being revealed. Secrets are still being hidden. With the crown chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra, and the third eye, they're trying to conceal stuff, but those blockages and illusions are being removed. They're probably trying to reveal who your divine masculine is, or they're trying to come together. They're trying to conceal and trying to block a coming together of a divine union. Liver and gallbladder. Liver deals with all that deals with the crown chakra as well, especially the liver. All these people are in under oath and contract to keep something hidden. You're under a contract, under oath, to keep a secret, keep something hidden behind closed doors. This could be involving a mentor, have this type of binding contract, or under contract, under oath, to keep something hidden under wraps with the mentally incapacitated in the federal law. This could be dealing with the government as well. Someone could be needing an organ transplant. 8 people are missing. Someone's name could be Nick. Someone could be age 34 or 34. So could be significant. Federal agent, federal law agent could be named Nick. Someone hiding onto resentment. Eye cancer. Gifted. Someone's very gifted. I keep saying hold on to resentment. Waiting on an opportunity to come forward. Yeah, someone could be bankrupt looking to steal something. I said someone's trying to come in. Yeah, pay attention to the details. Someone's trying to come in and trying to steal, okay? They're trying to do some type of magic. Or either they're trying to do some type of manipulations, that manipulation of the heart, trying to fuck with your emotions, emotionally. Okay, pay attention. They're trying to do some work on you. You know, the crown chakra as well. Yeah. Guilty conscience for doing the black magic, for doing dark magic. This could be a karmic ex-lover. These people could be homeless. Yeah, someone's trying to block the truth. Someone from high school or someone playing childish high school games of karmic feminine energy is trying to block the truth. They could be watching you through their third eye, spying. Yeah, could the astral projecting, trying to spy. Someone could actually leave their body to try to astral travel to spy, but they're going to be caught in a dark portal. And every time I post a video, they're good at trying to mirror back what I say onto me as if it's my energy. This could have been a twin flame or twin flame, a false twin flame, or a twin flame could be a Libra. They keep trying to mirror energy back, the stuff that I say, like it's my energy. Like, no, that's, yeah. Someone could be part of a Zulu tribe. Acting yet again. Yeah, transformation is here. Someone's going through a transformation.